Hi, good morning, everyone. So we've all experienced the hassle of finding the right hotel for our trips. It's time-consuming and often overwhelming, and that's why we created Bookify. Our vision is to evolutionize travel to create one seamless, informed, and elevated experience. So every traveler must know the frustration of hotel searching. First, there's this time-consuming research. Hours are spent hopping from one website to another, comparing prices, amenities, and reviews. Then we have this inconsistency in information. Different hotels are listed differently on different platforms. And above all, in this age of AI and personalization, why do we still get generic hotel suggestions? There's a clear lack of personalization. And you might wonder, don't we have solutions already? Of course, there are OTAs like Booking.com. They're expensive, but often filled with sponsored listings, affecting the quality of your search. Then there are search engines like Google Maps. They're good for locations, but not detailed enough for a traveler's needs. And there's also review sites like TripAdvisor. They're beneficial, but they don't help in the actual booking. So every platform has a piece of the puzzle, but none have it all. And it's not just about inconvenience. These fragmented solutions have a cost. Using multiple platforms means more time spent, more confusion, and often ending up paying more because you might miss out on a deal elsewhere. So there's a tangible financial cost to the current chaos. So why isn't it working? There's the fragmentation. The info is all over the place. There's a disparity in ratings and reviews. Leaves the travelers in doubt, and there's a lack of real-time integration. The hotel prices and availability change. Not all platforms update in real time. And finally, there's this lack of personalization. In 2023, we deserve platforms that understand us. So the current ecosystem is just a jigsaw puzzle with missing pieces. And thus introduces our product Bookify. We're not just another platform. We are the solution to all these pain points.
So what does Bookify AI offers? There are three components: time efficiencies. With everything integrated into one, users can allocate their time saved for more fulfilling activities, enhancing their overall quality of life. Cost savings. By collecting data from diverse sources, our platform can empower users to easily spot the best financial options, thus potentially saving money. This benefit can be particularly compelling for frequent travelers, for those on a tight budget. Enhanced travel experience. By integrating reviews and ratings, the platform could substantially reduce the risk of users ending up in disappointing accommodations or dining experiences. The power of informed decision-making can greatly contribute to a more satisfying memorable trip. So who are our target market or customers? Families, who focus on hotels with family-friendly amenities. Business travelers, who focus on efficient booking and easy access facilities nearby. Tourists, who prefer the need of recommendations for restaurants, attractions, or local experiences. And frequent travelers, who looks for a streamlined booking experience. And travel enthusiasts, who rely on reviews and ratings. Let's take a look at the market size. The size of the market for travel-related services is substantial and is still growing. According to Statista.com, online travel market size worldwide has roughly 520 billion US dollars, and it was forecasted to reach over $1 trillion by 2030. The market size varies by region, with North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific being significant contributors. So what are the market drivers? Increasing travel trends is because of the increase of disposable income and post-COVID travel boom. Digitalization, where travelers nowadays prefer the convenience of booking and researching online. User reviews and recommendations. Travelers rely on reviews and recommendations from fellow travelers when making decisions. Personalization. Travelers want tailored recommendations and options that match their preferences. Emerging market. Emerging market in Asia, Latin America, and Africa are experiencing rapid growth in travel, expanding the potential customer base. So how do we make money? There are three different sectors: booking commissions, premium subscriptions, and advertisement partnership. First, let's take a look at booking commission. Commissions rate can range from 10% to 30%, depends on booking value and negotiations with hotels. Some key metrics that we're going to look at are average order value, conversion rate, and total booking volume. Premium subscription. We are only going to offer one kind of subscription, but it is cheaper when subscribing annually. Some metrics to look at are monthly/annual revenue, churn rate, customer acquisition cost, and lifetime value. For advertisement partnership, pricing can vary based on the location of the ads and the prominence of advertisements. And some key metrics are click-through rate, impressions, and cost per click or cost per impression.
So I'd like to start off by establishing some of our key competitors in the travel planning and assistance space. Some of our key competitors are Expedia, which is a well-known online travel agency that offers a wide range of travel services, including hotel bookings, flights, car rentals, and activity recommendations. Another one of our competitors will be Kayak, which is a travel search engine that helps users find and compare prices for flights, hotels, and rental cars. Trivago specializes in comparing hotel prices from various booking websites, helping users find the best hotel deals. And Airbnb, which is primarily known for vacation rentals, but it also provides information on local experiences and activities, making it a competitor in the broader travel assistance space. Next, I would like to touch upon three differentiation aspects for Bookify AI Plus that helps us in differentiating ourselves from our competitors. And they are advanced AI and machine learning, real-time data integration, and personalization. Bookify AI Plus uses cutting-edge AI and machine learning algorithms to provide personalized recommendations and continuously improve user experiences. It could differentiate itself by offering more accurate and relevant suggestions over time. Bookify AI Plus ability to seamlessly integrate real-time data such as up-to-date weather information, local events, and hotel availabilities set it apart from its competitors that rely on static or less current information. And we also tailor recommendations to each user's preferences and past behaviors, which enhance the user experiences. Some of the key techniques that we'll be using are we use machine learning based algorithms to dig on key factors like price, sentiment of reviews, nearby restaurant, user overall rating, which lets the user decide the importance of all these factors and based on that choose a particular location or a place to stay. Next, I would like to dig deeper into our launch strategy. So we have a two-pronged customer acquisition approach. One is through social media marketing. So we would like to establish a very strong presence on all social media platforms, and particularly on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter, where travelers often seek inspiration. We would like to share engaging travel content on these social media platforms and attract more users to our social media profiles. Through targeted ads, we would like to reach specific travel segments based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors. Another approach is influencer collaboration. We would like to partner with travel influencers and bloggers who align with our target audience. And through influencers, we can promote our services to their followers and sponsor posts and through travel recommendations. So next, I will be discussing about the key drivers and potential milestones. So the driver behind our user engagement will be strong presence on our social media platforms, and some of the metrics that we'll be using to realize our potential milestones are time spent on our social media platforms, the number of interactions that occur on our social media platforms, and the user retention rate. The driver behind our revenue growth will be the various strategies, monetization strategies that Bookify AI Plus will be incorporating, and the metrics behind realizing our potential milestones will be total revenue, average transaction value, and revenue growth rate. Thank you very much.
It for a long time. I'm gonna also tell you some key techniques we use to make this Bookify a smart, intelligent system to give the recommendation about how to book a hotel. the key thing is that we need to make the recommendation personalized instead of just filtering the hotels that have available rooms. And one thing we're doing is to dig out some information from the historical hotel reviews from other mainstream websites. We can use sentimental analysis to see if the former users hold positive or negative or just neutral opinions towards this hotel. It could be a good reference for the users who's gonna book hotels afterwards. And also, we just try to dig the key factors based on machine learning models. And after our modeling, we can see that there are 4 main factors that most users really are interested in, or they think these factors are really important, including the price, sentiment of the hotel reviews, the nearby restaurant, if it is popular or if it is interested in that, and also the user overall rating. And the most important thing is that we just try to add a module to give users an opportunity to decide the importance of these factors. Some people, they may think the price is the most important, but others may not. It is based on the personal choice and personal interest. So we're gonna give this opportunity to let users to decide the percentage when they take different factors into account. And I think this is gonna help us stand out and be successful when we launch our product into the market. Hi, this is Fan, and I'm going to show you how our product looks like. I'm the data scientist and the lead product designer of this product. As you can see, the name of the product is BOOKIFY, and it is designed for the users who's going to book in a hotel for traveling purpose. And the recommendation mechanism is based on different factors. As you can see, we list 4 main factors that most users care about. And first, you need to type in the information about where you live, how many people you have, how many rooms you want, and your check-in and check-out date. This is a basic information, and our Bookify will check the availability of the hotels, which one is available to accommodate yours. And the next step is to give your personal choice for the importance of different factors. For example, as you can imagine, I am the user and I think the price really doesn't matter. So I can drag this to the left to reduce its percentage when we're calculating the total score. And if we think the sentiment of reviews are really important, we can just drag this to the right to enlarge its percentage to make it more important. And also the restaurant is not important at all. And the rating is quite important. So it's like that. You can decide whether these factors are important or not for your recommendation list. And then you can click the button of submit and wait for several seconds. You can see that there are a list of recommendations based on your basic information and also your personal preference about these factors. And as you can see, the information included the rank, the first ranked hotel that fits your taste, and also the name of the hotel, the price, the scores that former users give this hotel, and also the average review, the count of reviews, and also the weather of these locations, both the temperature and humidity. And you can click this, the blue one, the name of the hotel, and you can see the most 3 nearest restaurants. And some people, they think it's really important, and they see that there are really popular restaurant nearby. They will have a much more preference towards this hotel. That really makes sense. So this is a functionality of our Bookify. This is a booking assistant, and it's smart. It's based on the algorithm, and also the users can decide their their preference for different factors. I think it's a highlight and key point of a product. And I need to mention that this is just a demo. So later we're gonna have more time to make this user interface more beautier after we launch this product to the market. And we're gonna make this recommendation maybe based on more factors as well. Thank you very much. That's all.